If the user rolls a large straight, then the large straight radio button option should be enabled with a score of 40 points. Start by, excuse me. So start by creating an if statement to check if the unique numbers str is included in the large straights array. So actually that would be the opposite. I mean reversed. So first we would have to access the large straights array first because we are to use a method called includes, and which includes this, the unique numbers str. So we access the array large straights r rather, if it includes a unique numbers str. It either returns true or false. If so, if so, we are indeed, if so, call the update radio option with 4 and 20 for the arguments. Oh, what did I do wrong? Update to radio option and 40. Oh, okay. That would be 40 actually. Nice.